More accurately, it was really the forecast here, it seems, that was better from Texas Instruments. Do we have details on to what the company's attributing that better forecast?
So the company is saying that broadly, they're seeing a tremendous amount of demand for the analog chips that they make. As the world gets more and more digitized around us, Texas Instruments pivoted from making chips for, say, computers and phones to making chips for all of the devices around us. In particular, the company is saying that in the automotive sector, they're seeing continued demand into the future. That was the key thing that analysts were concerned about, whether President Trump's trade war with China would have some type of material effect on the company, which is viewed as a bellwether for the entire semiconductor industry because it has so many clients in so many different sectors.
So obviously part of this whole semiconductor story, and that's been going on for a while, is that it's just not a cyclical business the way it was in the good old days, and that there's this massive secular story where everything is going to have a chip in it. And what you're saying is based on some of their comments on automotive, that's largely intact.
Yes, exactly. I think that for Texas Instruments in particular, it's more insulated from, some of the cyclical concerns that other chip makers may have, just because the world is sort of moving in this digital direction. And they make very simple analog chips that, make things work. It could be the chip inside of a clock, it could be a car, it could be, really anything. They make chips for industrial applications as well. And, this is really a fantastic thing for the company because, as you guys mentioned earlier, it's been trying to change the subject from the news of last week.
Yeah, the news last week being that Brian Crutcher is out, Rich Templeton is back in. Is there any more drama surrounding this? Is this going to come up in the conference call, Nico?
So it's very likely to come up in the conference call. And the reason why is because the company didn't give a tremendous amount of detail about why exactly Crutcher was, sort of removed. It said that he violated the company's code of conduct, that it was personal conduct, had nothing to do with the company's accounting or anything material, which says that it's, a scandal in the same vein as Brian Krasanich from Intel last month.